how to remove background in CapCut. So first, open up your CapCut app, and then what you need to do is just tap on your video or photo in CapCut, and then just look for remove PG here, this one, tap on it, and then if you want to remove it automatically, you can just tap on auto removal, but you need to remember that you need to have a pro plan here in CapCut to use this. Okay, so just tap on it and then it'll automatically remove the background here. Okay, now if you want to do it on custom, so you can just tap on custom removal, and then you just need to brush the part or the person where you want to remove the background from, and you want to leave the person on it. So you just need to do this, and then you just need to brush the person. And then what will happen here is, let's see, as you can see, now the person is only left there. So if you want to do this properly, you just need to brush the person, his whole body, so you can remove the background from him. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.